Hello, darlings! A capsule wardrobe is basically a collection of pieces, between 30 to 50 items, that you can use to create multiple staple outfits for multiple occasions. The idea of this concept is to make fashion more sustainable. This is a DIY capsule wardrobe guide to help you decide what to keep and what to donate to the Goodwill. All items and dupes of items that are sold out are listed in the description below. Let's get into it. My fave shoes in the world? Birkenstocks. These fur-trimmed pair are a statement and a basic all at the same time. Very boho chic. Black slacks. Perfect for formal or street style. I bought these at a thrift store from the men's section. Slacks are a good go-to for in or out of the office. A white button-down, as much of a necessity as a good pair of jeans. Perfect again for street style or formal wear. A standard V-neck. I prefer the men's cut. This, paired with a pair of jeans, can make a simple outfit for running errands or add heels for a simple date night. Blazers. They add a dressy element to a casual outfit. Perfect for the workplace, adds edge when paired with a dress, and is a closet staple. Bell-bottom jeans. Fun and flirty and timeless. They did just make a comeback from the 70s. A good pair of open-toed flats, because sadly, you can't wear fur-trimmed Birkenstocks in summer. But they do make rubber Birkenstocks for $50. Yes! Now I can wear Birkenstocks all year round. Bootcut jeans. It would have been too simple to put skinny jeans in the capsule. Bootcut jeans are timeless. A key aspect for a piece in a capsule. A seasonal chameleon. A bodysuit. Any color really is a perfect basic. It's perfect for when you want a seamless, tucked-in shirt look. It doesn't even have to be expensive. A duster. Every woman needs a duster. It makes you feel like a sexy, feminine superhero gliding through the crowd in the streets. Perfect outerwear for any season. This Ralph Lauren jean skirt is so retro vintage. Another amazing thrift find. It's multi-seasonal. Pair it with thigh-high socks or tights in the winter or chunky sneakers in the summer. Turtlenecks are so versatile. It can be used for layering under a short sleeve shirt or as an extra underlayer in the winter, or as just a shirt. A turtleneck bodysuit is, however, ideal. Ankle boots. I love a good ankle boot. Did anybody else collect peacoats during that period of time where the show Sherlock was a smash hit? Hashtag obsessed. This skirt is from AliExpress. I love it for a good office business attire or with the right mesh shirt, club attire. I love this shirt from Boohoo. Sad I've never been able to buy the white one. Hello? Purchasing department, please restock. Thank you. When I think of fall and winter, I think of sweater dresses. This hair and dress combination. Am I giving anybody else Never mind. This tank version has a fall weather vibe. Brown is a great go-to color for fall. This can be paired with strappy heels for a fall night out. A long sleeve sweater dress is perfect for winter. Pair it with thigh-high boots. Ooh, cozy. Thigh-high boots. Perfect fashionable way to stay warm. Pairs nicely with jeans, skirts, and dresses. A black dress. Both LBD and long formal is a slept-on key item for a capsule wardrobe. Unlike all the other pieces in this collection, this is an easy nighttime selection. No need to worry about how to transition it from going out to nighttime. The nighttime feel comes already assembled or ensembled. Get it? Assembled. It's an ensemble. This coat is love. It's real leather, detailed to perfection. And it was already featured in a previous video. You can watch it here for more detail. A casual, flowy baby doll dress. This is the only quote-unquote true summer piece. Baby doll dresses are currently trending, and this cute Target find is perfect for this season. Thank you all for coming to my show. What was your favorite look? Comment down below. Mine had to be the brown sweater dress and the long black dress with the trench coat. A full list of pieces for my pick to build the perfect capsule wardrobe is listed in the description, along with where to find these or similar items. Until next time, have a darling day.